In this video, I'm going to show you that how I'm selling this one AI agent for $5,000 to real estate companies. And you know the great part that you can do the same. Well, just in case if you don't know me, I am Mohit, founder of Chrono AI, and I'm running my AI agency for more than 1.5 years. Currently, we are doing 6-figure in ARR, and that's why I recently launched my 6-figure AI agency launchpad, where I'm teaching other people that how they can also start their AI agency and scale it to 6-figure. So that's enough for our introduction part, and let's start our video. So first thing that you need to understand that what problem are we gonna solve. As you know, it's all about problem. You will get paid if you're solving any kind of problem. So what problem we are gonna solve with this 4,000 AI agent? Well, let me break it down for you. In real estate companies, most of the time companies make most amount of money from their commission, and for that they need more agents in their company, and this is exactly what we are gonna do. We are gonna help them to get more agents into their company so that they can make more sales and of course the commission as well. But the question is that how we are gonna help them to get more agents into their company? Well, it's easy. It's all about lead qualification. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna call the leads one by one to agents or broker, and we are going to ask them that they are interested in the company offer or they want to join the company or not. If they want yes, we are going to qualify the lead and we are going to collect every single data, and then we are going to handle that guy to that particular company that yeah, this guy is interested into your offer and now you can hire them. And you need to understand one thing, that even one broker can make hundreds of grand for them, so they really care about how many agents are there in their company. Well, I always work in real estate markets, so I know this is very demanding thing, and they really care. It's very valuable for them. And you know the great part that lots of people don't even focus on these things. Like these are like really great opportunities in real estate market, but people are not talking about the recruitment part, not at all. And companies are looking for recruitment, and once you're gonna integrate the AI agent into the recruitment part for that particular company, they are gonna make hell amount of money from that. So I guess that's enough for your understanding how everything is gonna work. But let's talk about how we are gonna build it and how we are going to solve the problem for them. Okay, so I'm going to give you a live proof that how we are going to do it. So this is the phone, and I'm going to make a phone call from our AI agent. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to answer this phone. Hello.
Hi Stuart, this is Anne from Realty One Group. Are you still in real estate?
Yes, I am.
Great. I'm Anne from Realty One Group, and we think you'd be a great fit for our 100% commission offer. Would you be open to a 15-minute meeting with our broker to learn more about this opportunity?
What it is exactly?
Sure. If you've sold 5 homes with us or another brokerage, you qualify immediately for our 100% commission model, so you can keep more of what you earn. Would you like to schedule a quick 15-minute meeting with our broker to go over the details?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Tomorrow at 3 p.m. works perfectly. Could you confirm your email address so I can finalize the booking? I have it as chronoaiautomation@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah, it is correct.
Your meeting is all set for tomorrow at 3 p.m. You'll receive the joining link shortly via email and text message. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Okay, that's good. That's good. I received the email. By the way, can you also send me the your offer information via email?
Sure. I'll send the offer details to your email, chronoaiautomation@gmail.com. Please also check your spam folder just in case.
Okay.
Let me know if there's anything else you need.
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Thanks for your time, Stuart. Have a great day.
Yep, so here it is. So you can see I received this, and this is the call which is booked, which is tomorrow at 3 p.m. and it is also added to my calendar. This is my account, and now we are gonna also receive the offer detail from that particular company. So you can see this is also fully automated. It sent me the offer detail, like yeah, from here I can book a free call, and this is all their offer. Yeah, so this is exactly how it's gonna work. But that's not at all. We are also gonna store every single data that you can see right now. This is the call status, which was called unanswered. It sent me the email, of course it did. I am interested, and this is the whole transcript of the call. This is the summary, and this is the recording URL. Now that's not at all. We are also going to store the interested agent lead list here, which is another column which is interested agent. So you can see here my name, my email ID, my company name, and the time, the email send, status, like yeah, it booked the appointment for 3 p.m. and send offer detail via email. And this is the transcript, summary and recording. So this one AI agent can do multiple things for them, and literally you can sell this AI agent for $4,000 with $500 retainer every single month. And you know the great part, that I'm doing it and I'm making a lots of sales from just one AI agent. All I have to do is just build it for once, and then I'm just reselling this one AI agent again and again to other businesses because they really need it. And there is very high demand. No one is talking about this one thing. If you can literally leverage this, you're gonna make a hell amount of money, but you really need to focus on how you're gonna do it. Well, this is exactly why I am here. I'm gonna show you that how you're gonna build this agent and how we are gonna set up this agent into our client account and how it's gonna work. So here we are in our Retell AI. This is the first platform that we are gonna use to build our AI agent. Well, this is my client's account where I build the AI agent for them, and you can see there are multiple agents. This one is outbound agent and this one is inbound agent. Well, there is one more thing that you need to understand, that we are going to call them, and if it's a voicemail or if the call is not answered, they're going to call us back. And this is exactly why we are going to build an inbound voice agent to answer all of the calls. Well, it's the same agent, but this one is built for inbound calls and this one is built for outbound calls. There is no such difference. This one is going to qualify the leads from them by calling the lead from the lead list. Here it is going to call the 20 leads in every single 8 minutes, and then of course it is going to do all of the tasks of the post call and analysis every single thing. Our inbound agent is built to receive only the inbound calls. Well, if you don't have any account in Retell AI, the sign up link is in the description. From there you can just sign up for free, and once you're going to sign up, you're going to see a dashboard like this one. Well, this is a knowledge base from where we need to upload a knowledge base for your company details, FAQs, any type of document that you have about your details, about your company details that you want to use in your AI agent. So upload it from here. You can select the website, the file and the text, whatever you want to. There is already a knowledge base, so I'm not going to upload a new one. Now one more thing that you need to understand, that you don't have to build anything at all, because I'm going to provide you a template, so you can just import the template from here. All you have to do is just import the file that I'm going to provide you. So if you want the template, you can join the community. In my community, I'm going to share every single resources of Retell AI, every single templates, every single thing which is required. Like make.com templates, there are going to be like 5 or 6 templates of make.com and 2 templates from Retell AI, because one is the outbound agent and the next one is the inbound agent. And also I'm going to share the Google Sheet with you, so you will get every single thing that you need. And I sold this AI agent for $4,000, and now I'm going to give you every single thing that you need, and all you have to do is just copy it and paste it. Like, you don't have to do anything at all. All you have to do is just click on the import button, import it from here. And even in the make.com, the another platform that we are going to use, you can import every single template from there as well. Well, if you are not, then you can just create a new agent from here, just like the voice agent. Select the start from blank and select the multi-prompt agent. But I'm not gonna show you this one agent because there are like some personal information about the company, so we really respect our client data, so I just can't show you this one. But I'm gonna import another one which is same as this one, but I just remove the personal information about the company. That's all. Yeah, so here it is. This is the outbound agent template, and this is what I'm going to share with you as well, because this is the same as that one. There is no difference. The only thing which is not there, the company details. That's all. So yeah, here we are, and you can see there are kind of bunch of features on the left hand side and on the right hand side as well. Well, first thing is you can change the name from here. This is the outbound agent template, and from here we can select the GPT models. Recently GPT-5 is launched, which is kind of cheap as well and better, but I'm gonna go with GPT-4o because in Retell AI GPT-4o really work better compared to other. So from here we can select the voice, whatever voice you want to. Right now it is on grace, so if you want to change the voice, you can just change it from here, whatever you like. Just change it from here. Then the next thing is language. From here you can just select whatever language you want to. Right now it is on English US. So here we are. The first feature is end call and transfer call function. If someone demand a transfer call, like I want to talk to a real human, so it is gonna transfer the call to real human. And there is one more function which is end call. If you are building it totally from scratch, then you can add it from here, the end call and the transfer call function. All you have to do is just select it and just add it. That's all. The next thing is knowledge base. In the knowledge base, we need to select the knowledge base from here. So just select the knowledge base, but first you need to upload it from the dashboard and then you can add it from here. Then this is a speech setting. If you want to select a background sound, you can just select it from here, whatever you want to, but I usually don't prefer one. And this is the responsiveness, set it on 1. And this is the interruption sensitivity, control how sensitive AI can be interrupted by human speech. It should be 0.6 or 0.7. Let it be around 0.6 to 0.7. That's all. Enable the back channeling. Yeah, this is really important for your AI agent because this is going to make them sound more real and human. So add words like this, which is really going to help them to make it human as possible. You're an outbound sales representative at Urban Nest Real Estate. Well, I changed the company name. You are an outbound sales representative at Urban Nest Real Estate. Well, I changed the company name here, and your job is to call agent name from the database and ask if they're open to discuss the opportunity with our broker. And this is the detail of the agents which we are calling. So this is the first name, this is the email, agent phone number, company name, and user phone number. Well, this is the current time, and of course we need to give the current time to our agent, so you can give it like that, but this one is just Los Angeles. If you want it to be your country and your time zone, then all you have to do is just add a time zone here, and that's all. Now this is the specific, and yeah, this is like if someone asks who is a broker, say Alex. And if someone want to know the address and all these things, this is the like example address. And keep the conversational brief, be clear, direct, limited response, or just a few lines. So all of these things are really gonna matter because this is exactly what we are gonna do in our system prompt. We are commanding our AI system that how it needs to perform and how everything is going to work in our AI agent. So there are a few things here. This is about the offer that they are offering. If you sold 5 sold with another brokerage, you are qualified immediately for 100% commission model, so you can keep more. And there are more things like that. And this is a voicemail. Like of course sometimes in USA most of the time people are busy, so what we are going to do is we are going to leave a voicemail for them so they can call us back, and with our inbound voice agent we are going to answer the call. If someone want the detail about the offer on email, then they can just send it on their email address as well. If the user is busy, it's gonna say no problem, if you are busy I can send details of the offer to your email. Does that work for you? And there are some notes to make it as much as real. Like you don't have to even see these things, the notes part. All you have to do is just copy this thing. Like there are no sensitive information here. These things are for to make the our AI agent better. So yeah, all of these things you can just copy this. Well, that's all for here, and this is some important notes. So in our important notes there are a few more things, like the working hour is from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Always confirm the user email before booking the appointment in calendar, and this is the current time. Never repeat anything once said. And there are more things like that. Always check whether the desired slot is available for future time only from the current time. Do not check or book appointment for past time. This is really important because of course we don't want to book the appointment in our past time. Booking in future only, not in the past. Well, that said, this is all about our system prompt. There is nothing much. Everything is just there are like little bit of details about the company, that's all, but overall the thing is same. And this is a variable that we need to use, and I'm going to show you that how our variables are going to work. And after all of these things you can just copy this, the notes, all of these notes and all the important notes, you can just copy it and paste it into your account because there's like nothing sensitive about these things. But this is important. Now we are going to click on the edit prompt tree, and now we are going to see two states. Starting state, which is intro, and this is the book call. So from here we are going to book the call with them. So this is the outbound call flow. Primary call flow, this is the greeting and qualify. First message is, hey, am I speaking with first name? Hey first name, are you still in real estate? If no, thanks them for their time, wish them luck, and say goodbye. Then run end call to end the call. If yes, then of course we are going to tell them the offer, and if they are interested we are going to transition to the booking state. But if they are not sure about it, then we are going to send them the follow-up and end the end call function. And if they want to know more about the offer, it is going to say this thing, which is the offer detail. And of course, this is a secure follow-up meeting. Every single time it is gonna say, I love to schedule a quick video call with Alex, our broker, to go over the details and answer any questions. So if the user agree, it is gonna transition to the book call state, where it is gonna book the appointment with them. But you don't have to do anything at all, because of course, if you're gonna import the template, you don't have to do anything here. Like, everything will be ready for you. So this is the next state, which is the book call, and from here we are gonna book the appointment with them. So this is the call booking script, and this is like 15-minute booking call, and your goal is to book the call with them by the available time slot. And this is the prompt. Great, let's set up your 15-minute video call. This is the action that our working hour is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. so the desired slot must be in this range. This is the available checking, that run this one function to check the time slot is available or not. If it is available, then it is going to run the book appointment calendar function to book the meeting in the client's account. So this is a critical note about the meeting, that yeah, it should be successful booked. Do not mention any issue and error. Maintain a confident and positive tone throughout the conversation. Then this is the email confirmation. We are going to ask the email address if it is not available, and if it is already available in our lead list, then we are going to confirm it by saying this, like yeah, then it's going to confirm the email address that it is right or not. Then it is going to book the appointment. So yeah, this is all set. But now we are going to book the appointment in our account, and how we are going to do it is we are going to use cal.com for that. Just in case if you don't know, cal.com is a platform from where we can book the appointment very easily. So all you have to do is just click on the add button, and you can see this is a check calendar availability, cal.com, and this is a book on the calendar. This is also from cal.com. So add this, you need an API key, the event type ID, and the time zone. That's all you need to do. And how you can do it, you can watch my previous video. In that I explained you that how we are going to connect our cal.com account with Retell AI. It's very easy and very simple. You can watch that one tutorial. I'm going to pin the video in the I button, so you can just click on the I button and you can watch the video. So yeah, that's it. This is all in our outbound agent, and our inbound voice agent is also same as this one. There's no difference. Yeah, there are a little bit of difference in the prompt, in the script, in the booking flow. Like, there are a little bit of difference, but overall it's same. So I'm gonna provide you the template of the inbound voice agent as well in my community. But yeah, there is one thing left, which is post call analysis, and from here we need to enter lots of analysis. So this is the first one, which is interested or not, and in this is gonna confirm that the agent is interested in the 100% commission offer or not. If they are interested, the output will be true, and if they are not, it is going to be false. And the next thing is this, which is interested agent detail, and which we are going to click the interested agent detail, like the meeting is booked or not, and what is the overall status. Then our next one is voicemail detection. It is going to check that it is a voicemail or not, because of course in our Google Sheet we are going to save that it was a voicemail or the call was answered or not. And this is a user email one. This one is used to extract the user email from the conversation, and this is the email check, which is used to, if someone want the offer detail via email, then it's going to check that yeah, it is yes or not. If they want the detail over email, then output will be yes. If they don't, then output will be no. So this is our post call analysis, which is going to help us to add every single thing and every single data after the call in our Google Sheet, so our client can monitor every single thing about the calls. So yeah, that's all in our Retell AI. Now we are going to use our second platform, which is make.com. So here we are in our make.com. First thing I want to say to you that if you don't have any account, again, just the sign up link is in the description. From there you can just sign up for free, and once you're going to sign up, you're going to see a dashboard like this one. All you have to do is just click on the create scenario button, and then you need to import the templates that I'm going to share with you. Just click here, click on the import blueprint, and download the JSON file that I'm going to provide you inside my community, and all you have to do is just select them and save it. Then you're going to have every single thing that you need. So let's start with our first thing, which is, so this one is going to use to make the calls from our lead list. This is the cold caller one. The first thing is this, which is the search row model. It is going to check the status is not called from our lead list. So this is the status. If it is not called, then it's going to make the call for them. And yeah, there's a limit which is 17. You can change the limit. Then our next thing is ChatGPT model, in which we are going to check that the number is right or not. So this is exactly what prompt we are going to use to check that the number is invalid or not. Then there's to router. If the number is invalid, you can see this is a filter that I'm using, the result from this one ChatGPT model, and it is going to check that the number is real or not. If the number is invalid, then it is going to just update the Google Sheet with the invalid number status. And this is a second path, which is if the number is real, then it's going to check it from Toolio, because why not? We are also going to use Toolio to check the number is real or not. If the number is invalid, then it is going to just update it like again, like this one. But if the number is real, then it is going to make the call. So you can see this is does not contains invalid. So then it's going to take this one path, and from here it is going to book the call. So this is the Retell AI model that we are going to use. Few things that we need to do here. First thing is from number, we need to enter the number from our Retell AI that we connected, and just add the phone number here. And this is the result from our ChatGPT. So this is the result from our first model, that the number is correct or not. This is the agent ID that we need to enter from our Retell AI. So you can see this is the agent ID. Just copy it from here and paste it here. Then there are like variables here. This is the first variable, which is agent name. Just enter the value from our Google Sheet. This is our Google Sheet. Just enter the values from here. And this is the company name. This is the phone number. This is the email ID. And that's all. This is all of the variables that we are going to use. Well, this is our Retell AI model, which is really important to make the phone calls. And after that, we are going to update our Google Sheet again. So we are going to store the current time of the call in which we made. We are going to change the status from not called to called, and we are going to add the call status to not answered. So yeah, this is our first scenario, which is cold caller. You can just import the blueprint from here. Just select here and upload the file that I'm going to provide to you, so that you don't have to do anything at all. So this is our second scenario that we are going to use. So this is our outbound and call result. All you have to do is just add a webhook here and copy the webhook address. Now we need to paste the webhook address here. All you have to do is just copy it from here and paste it here. That's all. Then click on the save button. Then this is the first model, which is search row, and now we are going to extract the detail up from our Google Sheet. You can see the company name and the name from the Retell AI. So now we are searching the row to update the post call analysis details. So this is the one thing. Then of course we are going to update every single thing, like the call status, the email sent or not, they are interested or not, the transcript, the summary, and the recording, call recording. So you can select it every single thing from here. You can see now there are 4 routers. Number 1 is the lead capture. If the interested or not is true, or it is yes interested, that does mean that it is going to capture the lead in our interested agent lead list. You can see this is the interested agent lead list that we are using. So it is going to store every single data of that lead which is interested. So this one path is for that. And of course we are going to add agent name, the email ID, company name, time, and email send, status, transcript, summary, call recording. Then this is our next thing, which is the send an email. As you know, we are using another one, so you need to connect your email account from here, and then you need to enter the user email, just like the variable of user email. And then this is the subject and this is the email body. So this is our outbound and call reason, which is used for the post call analysis. We are going to add every single thing in our Google Sheet after the call. Well, there are a few more things a little bit, which is the first one, the not interested to not call. So you can see this is the call status, which is going to update after the call, or not this one. Okay, here it is. So you can see this is a call answered, but if someone didn't answer, it is going to say not answered. And of course we are going to call them again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this run once button. First thing, we need to connect our Google Sheet. That's all. Just connect it from here, and once you're going to connect it, just click on the run once button, and then it is going to change the call status from not answered to not called, so we can call them again. Then this is another one, which is voicemail to not call. Most of the time the calls are on voicemail, so we're gonna call them again. This is the same thing as that one, but this one is for voicemail. So yeah guys, this is exactly how we are gonna do every single thing. And if you want to work with me, or if you want me to build these AI systems for your business, then you can just go to our website and book a free call with us. And then we're going to discuss that how we are going to integrate these AI systems into your business. Well, that's enough for this one video. I'm going to see you in another video. We are going to learn how to build another AI system.